Oh yeah, put some earplugs in, dude.
I know, give me a...
Give him your earplugs, Ev.
I better step back to him.
Make them want to take a back road.
Max, go get back over by the cars, babe.
Put a little gravel in my travel. Alright, so safety. Keep your finger out there when you're talking. Put your hand underneath that thing right there too. There's nice and easy now. Target.
Hold it down lower.
Dang!